I'm Derek. I'm from Ananda driving system. Ananda actually is we are very professional e-driving system supplier. We are very pleased that we attend the show today. During this show, we want to show some new product, innovative technology. For example, this mini motor actually we just launched last month in February, and this motor have very good features like it's very quiet. Quiet is become more and more the requirement from the end consumers. In order to meet these requirements, we launch this product. And also for this product, with another good feature is low resistance. When the rider power off the battery, they ride the bicycle with very smooth and very light, and so we call it very low resistance. If you want to know more about Ananda product, please find our website www.ananda-drive.com. Thank you.